Just a quick update on the status of the engine rebuild. As you know, the body's been finished for a few weeks now, and I've been working on the engine, which is the last remaining major part. So it was pretty grotty, but it's all come back from the machine shop now, so it's been scrubbed down. We've heated it up and burnt all the oil out of the block and repainted it with some genuine MG red. Fitted the big end, checked the end float, replaced the thrust bearings, pistons, rods, new bearings, small ends, big ends, everything's been torqued up, um, ready to go back together. Over the last few days, I've been doing static timing, um, timing in the cam. I've got a variable vernier cam to go in it. Putting it all together, so that's all done. The engine's now all buttoned up and it's ready to be lifted into the car. So I'm just waiting now on the last component, which is actually the clutch spigot bush, which needs to go in there, and that needs to go in before I can actually fit the engine into the car. Anyway, so that's where we're up to.